happy Easter. We're
Happy
about
Easter.
43 minutes away from Easter, so
Yeah.
say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna cry when Easter comes.
And we're going to do our handshake that we known since we was, I don't know, 5. I said it first. No, you said it first. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Sorry if you can't see. Give me a hug. Forget the camera's there and just do it. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Chocolatey chewy, gonna make your day. Everywhere we go, we hear the people say, hey, give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that, gotta have a piece of that. Break me off a piece of that, Kit Kat bar. Woo! Yes, we perfected it! We perfected it! We did it! Yay! Awesome. So, hold on. Let me mix them up. I'm mixing them up.
Yes.
Here.
Very crazy.
Now, we hope you guys love Easter. I hope you guys love this video. Make sure you get an awesome cool egg. Here's what you do. Dip it in orange. Make half of it blue. Flip it over and then dip it in pink. So it's blue, orange, pink. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We do that every year.
Yeah.
So
We're gonna make them tonight.
tonight. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Fight
Thank
us
you.
all.